Sawadee-ka! Good morning and welcome to World of Thai Food Season 2. And today I am going to make shrimp stir fry in the curry paste with stinky beans. And I am now here at Phad Phed or Phad Phed Beach, Sichon District, Nakhon Si Thammarat, to look for the fresh ingredients, which is our big prawns. I hope today we're gonna have a very good beginning of season 2 by showing you the fresh ingredients and really nice recipe of the prawns. His name is Goldie. 5 6 กุ้งอะค่ะ Didn't get shrimp. The first fisherman just told me that there are gonna be some more boats coming in to dock here. So I still have hope looking for fresh shrimp. Actually, it's gonna be easier for me just go to the market and pick the ready one, but here is challenging. Cung ไม่ได้เลยเนาะ We got the fresh shrimps. Let's go and cook shrimp curry stir fry with stinky beans. We are now back at our set, and here's some shrimps we got from the fisherman boat this morning, and I'm gonna present to you how to make the southern curry stir fried with this shrimp. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 400 to 500 grams of peeled and deveined shrimp, red spur chili, green peppercorn, 1 cup of coconut milk, 3/4 cup of the pakria, half tablespoon of palm sugar, Kaffir Lime leaf, fish sauce, cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of yellow curry paste, and a half tablespoon of red curry paste. Okay, let's get started. Light the fire up. Okay, we heat the wok at the medium heat, and then we use cooking oil. Ooh, something like 1 tablespoon. Not too much. And then we just fry this curry paste together. Keep frying it until it's fragrant. A bit more. Or until your neighbor sneezes. And add a little bit of coconut milk. If you can eat spicy food, actually you can also add a half of tablespoon of yellow curry paste. So I'm gonna just put the shrimps in here. Now the paste starts to sizzling around, and you add a little bit of coconut milk again. Okay, now you put the pakria you have in the pan. Follow with the green peppercorn. 2-inch each. Go in there. Now you can start to seasoning them. Half tablespoon of palm sugar. Fish sauce, half a tablespoon as well. So I guess it's something like that. I will add the coconut milk a little bit more because I personally like it a bit creamy. I don't like too much spicy. I think it's ready and it smells so good. So let's plate it. Here we go. I cut Spur Chili diagonally. Okay. And Kaffir Lime leaf. Grow it. And cut it. So now you know how to make southern curry stir-fried with shrimp and pakria or Phad Phed Sator Goong. In my hometown, we eat it with side vegetables like this edible flower or cashew nut leaves. If you don't find it at your hometown, then you can also go with aubergine or normal cucumber. It's really delicious. I really recommend you to try this. And for the ingredients, find it below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, share some comments, and please like our Instagram pictures. For today, have a spicy day. Bye!